I like the fact that BiblioCommons is helping public libraries position themselves online in a great way.
What BiblioCommons is doing is trying to get people to come in together in an online community, but foster the love of reading.
The company is trying to engage people in such a different way that other companies are not. It isn't about selling you a book. It's about making sure that you find the right book. It's about making sure that your experience, either at the library or on the digital space, is as amazing as it can be.
I think a lot of people think that libraries are outdated, but Biblio does a lot of really cool cutting-edge stuff over here, and that really caught my attention when I was applying.
We typically take on bigger challenges than most teams our size would, so you have to be kind of clever about how you approach those things. You have to be careful but daring at the same time, and you have to be willing to fail in order to succeed. And we give everybody permission to do that, but because we iterate over things and we keep looking for the right solution in that, then ultimately come up with something that we think is best in breed.
Looking for a job, I was scared of getting a job that you have to do the same thing over the years. But over here, I'm constantly getting into newer technologies, moving from one team to the another. One thing I like about working with my colleagues over here is that we do a lot of collaboration.
There's always been a more experienced developer around, somebody to help mentor, and we're really into leveling up our developers through mentorship and pair programming. And that was a hugely valuable thing for me when I started.
Working, only 3.5 years, and I've grown so much, and I've learned so much in such little time, and I've made such a big impact. And that's the good thing about BiblioCommons. You can make such a big impact right away from the get-go.
This is a rare place where you can get that enterprise experience while not losing the ability to have an impact on the product. And I think that's a huge gain for people coming to work here. If you want to feel like you're making a difference, we can do that.
We offer the best of both worlds. You get to feel good about the impact that you have on the world, but you also get to work on some pretty interesting problems, and you're solving first-class technical and design challenges while still feeling like you have a legacy in terms of what you're building and the reach that it has.
I have the opportunity to review a lot of our patron feedback. They say, "I can't believe technology was so easy to use. Thank you so much." And that's really rewarding at the end of the day.